Hey guys, Jeff here from JB Customs. So we've got a Nissan X-Trail, and customer couldn't get the tailgate, the boot lid open because the micro switch is gone. So this is the new wiring loom here, and that's the micro switch to open the rear door. So how I tested that was this is the wiring here from it. Obviously it goes through there. So what I did was removed the plug, and then so this is your power coming in. The two blue cables there off of the tailgate. So all I did was just connect those two together, and you can hear the mechanism operating. So I know that the switch is dodgy. We've got power to it. So the switch is dodgy, so I'm going to pull the switch out now, which is I've got to take these bolts out. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 there, and then that section there will come out. I'll be able to remove the switch, and then we'll get that sorted out. So to open the tailgate, obviously I pulled the rear cover off, and you can see there's a section here, which is that goes on that side. You can take that off, so just put one of the back seats down. You can pull that little panel off, and then you can get in, and this is to open the boot. So obviously if the switch is damaged or broken or whatever, you can open the boot with that, just pulling that little panel off. Okay, so I'll get the switch pulled out now, and let's give it a try. Okay, so that's the wiring all in. Now let's give it a try. So all I've done is just push the lock up with my screwdriver, and then that's it. Perfect. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, bye bye.